Good morning, each and everyone. Myself, Sharad, and my teammates are Rathod Vamsi and Sai Teja. And our project title is Smart Irrigation System using IoT under the guidance of Dr. M. Giri, HOD, CSC Department. Firstly, I'm going to explain about the abstract of our project. In agricultural field, farmers are facing many problems in watering their plants. Sometimes they may forget to supply water to their crops. This leads to the poor quality crops. In this regard, it is essential to monitor the soil condition continuously, whether it is dry or wet. Observing the soil conditions manually is very difficult. Thereby, this system is designed to sense the soil conditions. If it is dry, automatically the pumping motor will be activated until the motor reaches the sensor. Water reaches the sensor point. If the sensor point becomes wet, then the pump will be switched off automatically. Wi-Fi module is used to send the information to the concerned smartphone. The information contains about the soil conditions and water pumping motor conditions. The main processing unit will be constructed using Arduino UNO board, and with the help of an LCD, information can be displayed and the same information will be transmitted through Wi-Fi module to the mobile. Introduction. Irrigation is the art of applying water to the plants, fields to increase the quantity as well as quality of the fruits, food grains, etc. Automatic irrigation system is a modern method of irrigating farms as against the conventional method, which uses large number of minnows and uncontrolled water quantity. The project work described here explains about the modern irrigation methods using IoT technology. The method employed in this project work is that the system itself detects the conditions of soil and accordingly water pumping motor will be controlled automatically without intervention of any secondary person. Existing system. In existing system, farmer need to check the crop at certain time intervals and depending on the crop requirements. Farmers needs to irrigate the field by using the motor pump and the irrigation systems. Farmer needs to stay near to the pumps all the time to irrigate their fields timely. Farmer needs to check the soil conditions at every part of the field for proper growth of the crops. Disadvantages of the existing system are in existing system, water saving is not at all considered. If when farmer is far away from the field, they can't irrigate the field. Farmer, farmer irrigates the land in certain time intervals without knowing the about moisture of the soil. Overconsumption leads to damage of crops. The overflowing irrigated water gives insects a place to make their habitat, which is harmful to surroundings, giving rise to various diseases. Careless and over irrigation can lead to salt effluences. Now, my friend Vamshi will continue. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, proposed system. The smart irrigation system is based on Arduino microcontroller. The prototype checks the amount of moisture content in soil by using moisture sensor. As the soil moisture is set in Arduino, in case the soil moisture of the soil deviates from the specified range, the watering system is turned on or off accordingly. And here we use the Wi-Fi module to send the information to the concerned smartphone, whether the motor is on or off or the soil is dry or wet. So the information contains about the soil and the water. So now the advantages. Advantages. Here the advantages. So the main motto is to save water and low power consumption and easy to operate. It is flexible to run at specific intervals. No intervention of farmer or any secondary person needed to on or off the motor. And the soil condition and motor information will be sent to mobile. Now the hardware requirements are Arduino Uno and RGB LED and resistor, water motor pump, and we use Wi-Fi module. So now my friend will continue, Saiti. Thank you.
Now I'm going to tell you about what we have used in software requirements. The software requirements we used are embedded C++ and Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE we used here to execute our code, which is connected to Arduino. Block diagram. When it comes to block diagram, soil moisture detector will detect the soil condition and sends the moisture levels to the microcontroller, which is Arduino board, which is a brain of our system. Microcontroller sends the instructions to the water pump by accordingly to the given moisture levels of the soil moisture detector, and that will be displayed on our LCD screen whether the motor is on or off. And this all information is sent to our mobiles through the Wi-Fi module. This is our circuit diagram, and these are output screens. Wi-Fi controller app is used for project, which can be displayed whether the motor is off or on, and also the soil is wet and dry. And the LCD screen shown here shows that the soil is dry, and when the soil is dry, motor will be on automatically. That can be displayed on our LCD screen. Conclusion of a project. An automated irrigation system refers to operation of the system with minimum number of manual intervention. Almost all systems, whether it is drip, sprinkler, or surface, can be automated with the help of sensors. This project works with the help of simple soil sensing circuit, and the system is automated. This project works with simple copper electrodes, which are used for sensing the soil condition. In this method, by checking the soil condition, whether it is wet or else dry. Accordingly, water pumping motor will be controlled by Arduino Uno. Thank you.